Welcome. In this video, we are going to be talking about how to link two HTML pages together. And when you open your Visual Studio, this is what you will see. I'm sure everyone watching this video would have downloaded Visual Studio Code by now. So this welcome page is needed, is helpful, but I won't be using it for now. So we are going to use everything available to us by Visual Studio. So the first thing I want to do is to open a folder. I would like you to open a folder, or rather, create a folder called linking two pages, or just say, call it anything, maybe linking. That's all. And you would use your Visual Studio to open that. So you click on File and then click on Open Folder. And then look for the pages called linking. And then click on Open. Alright, so when it's done, you would create a new two files. So either you use this icon here called new file. You see, when I hover over it, it says new file. Or I come here and I click on this new file here. Okay, but I won't be using this. So I'll use this and call it first page.html. And I'll click on the second one, second page.html. Okay, so I'll start with the first page. And what will be in the first page? First page will just be, of course, we want to add our boilerplate. So to add our boilerplate, we'll say Shift 1 and then click on Enter, or click on the first exclamation mark and then to give you a boilerplate, and then we'll change our title to first page. And then in the body section, listen, this is title tag. This is body tag. Inside the body, we'll add just something simple, maybe a H1. Yes, just do H1 and then say my beautiful. Oh, sorry. Instead of this, we're going to use a button this time. We're going to use a button. Now, watch me. Watch me do something, a shortcut. So I'll just type button and then click on tab on my keyboard. When I keep on tab on my keyboard, it will auto-complete it. And that's a short way of getting your tag. So the next thing you want to do is to just put something there and just say click here. All right, so if you run this, you will just see a button that says click here. And then in our sorry, I want to make it centralized. So take this and then paste it in between this. And then in our second page, please look at it. I just centralized it just to sorry, take this. I just made the button centered on our page. Okay, so the second page, I want to add a boilerplate as well, and then change it to second page. And then in the body section, I want to add just something simple, maybe a div. You can do what I did and just tab, and then you use alright, so here's the second page. Okay, so how do I link this page to this page? Now, before we do the linking, we are going to run this and then see how it looks like. So I'm using Edge. So you can use other browser. You can use Chrome if you want. Okay, so this is my button. Alright, this is my button. And it's in the center of the page because I use center button, center tag. Okay, so I'll minimize this. And then how do I link this button to my other pages? This page, second page. So I'll just come over here and then put the tag href, click on it, come over here and then close it, close the a tag. So I'm going to copy this a tag. You know, when a starts the line of code, it has to end it. So I'm going to cut it and then paste it at the end of the line of code. So what I want to link it with is what? Second page. So So that is that I just did. So it will automatically suggest it because it's in a folder. It's in a folder called linking. So it will automatically auto suggest what I want to link with the button. Okay, I hope that's clear. Control S, you save your project, you save what you have just done. Come over to the browser, refresh, and then click here. So it will come here, it will link you straight to the second page. You can see from the URL that it says second page or HTML. Here's the second page. That is the end of this video. Hope you enjoy it. See you in the next video.